like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell.
Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel TV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make Diwali lantern. So let's get started. So first we will take a piece of a cardboard and here I have this template. So let's draw it and cut it. So it has been cut. Now let's paint it. Here I have this newspaper. Let's keep this cardboard on it and color it with white color. I am using acrylic color. You can use any of the color of your choice. So it has been colored. Now here I have this butter paper. Let's take this. So same way we have to make more 4. Let's keep it aside. Now take a white color strip and fold it in half. And same way we have to make more 4. Now follow the procedure. And the lantern is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. And do follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.